Marhaba ya jama'a, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn Levantine Arabic with music. So this is a clip from MTV Lebanon, and this guy is singing in the Levantine dialect. So let's break down the lines and see what he's saying. Don't forget that you can find the corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami speaker store, which will be linked here and in the description box below. So let's get started. In the first line, he says, Amara ya Amara, la titla'i ash-shajara. This means, radiant moon, O radiant moon, don't climb on the tree. The first word he uses is Amara, which is used to refer to someone as a moon, because in the Arab world, the moon is seen as such a beautiful thing. So you can think of this word as meaning, O beautiful one, or O radiant moon. Also notice how the word Amara is spelt with the initial letter Qaf, but in the Levantine dialect, the Qaf letter is often pronounced as a Hamza sound or glottal stop. So instead of pronouncing it as Qamara, we pronounce it as Amara. Next we have Ya Amara, which is very similar to the first word, except we're adding the word Ya, which is used to emphasize that you're calling out to somebody. And again, Amara means you're referring to someone as a moon, which means that they are very beautiful. Next we have La titla'i. La means don't, and it's a negator word, and then titla'i means climb, and it's an imperative command to a female. So La titla'i means don't climb. And lastly, we have ash-shajara, and this is actually a combination of three words in English, which is on, the, and tree. So the prefix a means on, the alif in the lam means the, and shajara means tree. So ash-shajara means on the tree. Alright, line number 2. He says, والشجرة عالية وإنتي بعدك صغيرة. This means, and the tree is high and you're still little. Let's break this down. So, والشجرة means and the tree. The prefix letter wa means and. الشجرة means the tree. عالية means high. وإنتي بعدك means and you're still. وإنتي means and you're. بعدك means still. And lastly, صغيرة means little, and it's the feminine form of little. By the way, I just want to mention that the first 3 lines of this song are actually a very common nursery rhyme in the Arab world, and it's often sung to little kids. So here they're kind of adding it as a little sample and adds a cute touch to the song. Now for the third line, he's just repeating that same phrase, Ya Amara, which again is a way to call out to someone and tell them that they are a moon, which means that they are beautiful. Line number 4, he says, حبيبك وصاكي تضلي بالبيت. This means your beloved advised you to stay at home. حبيبك means your beloved. Habib is the masculine form of the word beloved, and then adding the suffix, the letter kaf, makes it possessive for a female. So حبيبك means your beloved, where the beloved is a male. وصاكي means advised you. تضلي means for you to stay. And lastly, بالبيت means at home. بالبيت is comprised of 3 parts. First, we have the prefix letter B, which means in or at. And then we have alif and lam, which means the, and bit, which means home or house. Line number 5. Here he says, ومين ما حكاكي لا تتركي البيت, which means, and no matter who talks to you, don't leave the house. ومين ما means, and no matter who. حكاكي means talks to you. لا تتركي means don't leave, where لا is a negator word and تتركي means to leave. البيت means the house or the home. And I know what you're thinking. Although these past few lines can imply controlling or overprotective behavior, in this context, it's meant to emphasize how much the lover cares for his beloved and wants to keep her safe. Line number 6. ما بده تشوفي حدا ولا تردي ع حدا. This means he doesn't want you to see anyone nor respond to anyone. ما بده means he doesn't want, where ما is a negator and بده means he wants. تشوفي means you to see. حدا means anyone. ولا means nor. تردي means respond. ع حدا means to anyone, where ع means to and حدا means anyone. وكل الأبواب مسكرة هيك الهوا يا أمرة. And all the doors are closed. This is how love is, O radiant moon. وكل means and all. الأبواب means the doors. مسكرة means are closed. هيك الهوا means this is how love is, where هيك means this is how, and الهوا means love, but it's a deep type of love. I'm sure you've heard of the word hub, which also means love in Arabic, and hub is the more common term, but hawa is used in a more romantic and passionate sense. And then once again, we have Ya Amara, which means O radiant moon, and it's a way to describe that someone is so beautiful. In the next few lines, he repeats some of the lines he already said, so listen to it and see if you can pick out the words. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to get your vocab sheet from the Shami Speaker store. And I'll see you in the next video. Ma'as salama.